Most developers build React forms like it's 2010. They grab data using document.getElementById. They let the DOM manage everything and then wonder why validation breaks. In React, if your state is not the single source of truth, you are building bugs. Literally. This works, but React has no idea what the input value is. The DOM controls it, React just watches. That means no real-time validations, no UI feedbacks, harder debugging. This is uncontrolled thinking. Now React controls the input. User types, uninspires, state updates, component renders, input reflects state. This is called single source of truth. This works. But imagine 20 fields. Now you have 20 states, 20 setters, 200 lines. That's not scalable. This is the difference between junior and senior. One object, one handler, infinite scalability. This is simple. We have dynamic inputs. Click a button, new input appears. But this is where most a break. React gives us the previous state. We copy the array, we modify the copy, we return a new array. New reference, new render. Never muted directly because new reference helps in new render while same reference doesn't help in rendering process. User types validation runs immediately. Errors are stored instantly, but error message shows only if the field was touched. On submit, all fields are marked touched. If no errors, submit. Don't wait until submit to validate. Validate is the user types, but don't punish them immediately. Only show errors after they interact with the field. Now combine all these concepts. Control input, single object state, dynamic skills, validations, prevent default, error handling.